Today we will talk about Justitia adhetoda. Justitia adhetoda is an excellent remedy for all sorts of coughs and colds. It is said that no death can take place from cough of any kind if Vasaka or Justitia can display its healing properties. So much so is the efficacy of Justitia in coughs. Highly efficacious in cold, coryza cough, bronchitis, pneumonia, hemoptysis of any kind. Characteristic is audible rattling of mucus, which is very difficult to expectorate. So audible rattling of mucus with difficult expectoration, and that mucus is only loosened up by repeated hawking. There is vomiting with cough, and no food or drink is retained in stomach while coughing. So these are the characteristics of Justitia.